Hi bakers, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and I wanted to let you know that in your baking kit this November, it's our Thanks for Giving kit, because what we wanted to do was we wanted all of you in your families to bake goods that you would bring and give to other people, because we want to make this world a better place. And during the month of November, we created not only amazing recipes for you guys to make, they're a lot of fun, but we also put in your kits these pre-made gift tags. So this one says sugar and spice makes everything nice, and this goes with your homemade snickerdoodle bars. This one says for you to brighten up your day, and this one's used for your sunflower cookies. This is, I love this one, Who Loves You? It's our owl cupcakes. I know tons of kids are gonna make this one because they're so cute and so easy to decorate. And then this one is pretty generic, Leaven from my oven, so you can use when you make your breads or your pies or anything like that. And then you will put them in these bakery bags that we put in your kit as well. These are called gusseted bags, and it holds your cookies and bars and things really nice. And then we also put in large bread bags, which are really, really perfect if you're going to make some holiday breads. Also, I wanted to let you know that your baking class this month is all about setting the table. Have you guys ever set your table at your house? Well, here's just like a everyday setting, but for something like Thanksgiving or a special family event or Christmas, there's the fancy setting. That's where you put a salad and a soup plate on top, and you make sure that you put the knife and the fork and the napkin and the cups all in the right place. So we just hope you have a fun time with your November Thanks for Giving kit, and please let us know who you are bringing all of your baked goods to. We want to see photographs, we want to see messages, we want to spread the love, and that's what we're all about. So have fun baking this month, and we will see you real soon. Okay, bye-bye.